Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix a foreclosure with Wells Fargo. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all relevant documents related to your property and mortgage. This includes your loan agreement, recent payment history, and any correspondence from Wells Fargo. Next, assess your financial situation to determine your options. Calculate your current income, expenses, and any other debts. Contact Wells Fargo directly by calling their customer service number. Be prepared to provide your loan number and personal identification information. Explain your situation clearly and express your desire to resolve the foreclosure issue. Ask about available programs or options to help you avoid foreclosure. Wells Fargo may offer alternatives such as loan modification or repayment plans. Inquire about eligibility requirements for these programs. Once you have the necessary information, carefully review your financial options. Determine which solution works best for your financial situation. If you qualify for a loan modification, prepare the requested documentation. This may include proof of income, tax returns, and a hardship letter. Submit your application for the chosen program to Wells Fargo. Follow up regularly to check the status of your application. Document all communications with Wells Fargo, including dates and names of representatives. If your application is denied, request a detailed explanation. In some cases, you may appeal the decision or seek further options. Consider consulting a housing counselor for personalized assistance. They can help you understand your rights and navigate the foreclosure process. Stay proactive and maintain open communication with Wells Fargo throughout. Make sure to attend any required meetings or hearings regarding your foreclosure case. By taking these steps, you can effectively work towards resolving your foreclosure with Wells Fargo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.